Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Blink camera privacy sharing safely. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that both the original and new user have the Blink app installed on their devices. Log in to your Blink account on your device. Select the camera you want to transfer privacy sharing for. Access the camera settings by tapping on the gear icon. Scroll down to the User Management section. Choose the option to manage privacy sharing. Here, you will see a list of users currently sharing access. Select the user whose access you want to transfer. Tap on the option to remove or revoke their access. Confirm the removal when prompted. Next, return to the User Management section. Tap on Add User to share access with the new user. Enter the new user's email address linked to their Blink account. Select the permissions you want to grant this user. Inform the new user to check their email for the invitation. Once they accept the invitation, they will have access to the camera. It may take a few moments for permissions to update. Ensure the newly added user can access the camera. If any issues arise, double-check the permissions in the app. This completes the process of safely transferring privacy sharing for your Blink camera. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.